Multi-camera 3D pedestrian detection is a relevant problem in several contexts. Nevertheless, crowded environments are still challenging. State-of-the-art methods need to perform retraining when the target scene changes, which is usually time-demanding and may require laborious annotation of ground truth data. We present a novel method for generalizable multi-camera 3D pedestrian detection, not requiring training using target scene data. First, we estimate pedestrian location on the ground plane using a heuristic based on human body poses and persons bounding boxes from an off-the-shelf monocular detector. We then project pedestrian locations onto the world ground plane using pre-obtained intrinsic and extrinsic parameters for each camera. We discard locations outside the area of interest in the world ground plane. As an optional step, we can compute a descriptor for each pedestrian bounding box using a domain-generalizable person re-identification model. We create a graph for representing the conditions for fusing locations in the world ground plane. These conditions are based on proximity and appearance cues, and also on the fact that locations corresponding to the same pedestrian should come from different cameras. We then fuse the locations by solving an instance of the clique cover problem from graph theory. The final 3D coordinate of a detected pedestrian is the arithmetic mean of all world ground plane locations represented by a clique found. We evaluated our approach on the challenging WILDTRACK dataset. Experiments showed that the proposed methods for estimating pedestrian location on the ground plane and for fusing these locations obtained better results than existing techniques in the literature. Our approach obtained a multiple object detection accuracy of 56.9% and AF score of 78%, being superior to state-of-the-art generalizable detection techniques.